Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel.
I'm Shruti.
And I'm Dre. And together we are Beauty and the Bear.
So today we're watching Chainsaw Man.
Today we're jumping into a brand new series, Chainsaw Man. So we're starting with season 1, episode 1, Dog and Chainsaw. Let's get it going.
Let's do it.
All right.
This animation is pretty crazy.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. Looks very realistic. Looks homeless. I guess not.
Maybe he is homeless, but he still got a job.
It's true. There's a lot of that these days. Kidney I sold, bro. That's what it's come to? No! 300 grand for an eye and 100 for a nut?
He still owes 38
million.
Whoa.
He's a devil hunter, okay. Oh my god.
Look at that strawberry.
Yeah, exactly. Wow. Oh, that's some fire animation. Bruh.
They didn't show it.
So he uses the dog. It was the tomato down.
よくやったDenji。そっから借金と利子引いて17万。仲介手数料と事務手数料。管理調整費。
Management。
ともろもろを抜いて。
残りが7万。この7万家に食い物ねえし、今月はこの金で暮らさなきゃいけねえから。落ちた。今日の飯食パン1枚だぜ。
俺たちにしている借金を返させてんだよ。正確にはあいつの死んだクソ親父だが
Not
な。
even his.
デビルハンターが。
それにデンジのいいとこが逆らわねえとこだ。
Okay.
おい、犬。このタバコ食ったら100円やるよ。
What the fuck, bro?
And he gets a cigarette. I don't think he swallowed it. He did that trick.
Genius. 3 days, nice. 1900 yen.
普通食パンにはジャム塗って食うらしいぜ。俺は死ぬまで女と付き合えねえんだろうな。
You can't keep selling nuts and eyes, bro.
Oh my gosh.
デートする金もね。
Bruh.
Denji and Pochita.
Is this a flashback?
Yeah.
Oh shit, he's wounded.
Shit.
He came out so menacing to protect himself from further danger. I thought he was gonna attack. Look at those eyes. Ooh. Interesting. Oh. Oh, he brought him a carcass to pay off the debt. Sounds pretty cool.
Oh no.
You heard.
Denji, Akumaが出た。仕事だぞ。
You gonna fight somebody and you're already on death's door? You know what I'm saying? Oh boy, here we go. Ooh. I wonder if the devils only come out when the sun goes down. Oh no, he killed the last one in broad day. Babe, this is a setup!
Setup.
見当たらないっすけど、どっか隠れたんすかね。
デンジよ、俺たちは君に感謝してんだ。
Oh gosh.
Pretty grateful.
はい。
犬みてえに従順だし。
Stop flattering me.
犬は臭くて綺麗だ。
Bruh! Oh!
Oh no! What is he?
悪魔と契約することにしたんだ。
デビルハンター君、マジこいつらバカだよ。めっちゃバカ。デビルハンターは僕ら悪魔殺すから嫌い。だから殺しちゃうんだ。
They're all fucking.
I mean, that's a reasonable reason to not like devil hunters, but... Oh! I wonder if he could sell zombie parts after he kills them. But this guy's fucking got shanked, babe! And so did the dog!
Alright.
Is there a way out, bro? Oh. Oh, they're clumsy zombies, okay.
Right. Oh, that one went
shit.
over it.
He's too close! Oh!
No, 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 no!
What the fuck is going on? Oh! It's like the Red Wedding!
ないけじゃねえ。ただせめて普通の生活がしたいだけなのに。
That's too many stabs, bro.
What the fuck is this?
I guess he's not Chainsaw Man. Look at the dumpster. Is that him? His blood is going into dog.
落ちた。仕事に行くぜ。
You literally used him for chainsaw. That's hilarious.
そうしたらポチタだけが心残りだ。
Oh.
腹すかして死ぬかもしれねえし、体を乗っ取れるやつもいるらしい。ポチタにそれができるんだったら、俺のポ
What?
チタにあげてんだ。
Is that what's going on?
俺の夢を叶えてくれよ。
Oh my god.
Babe, I gotta see what's going on here. Oh my god. Babe, this is wild.
ポチタ。
私はデンジの夢の話を聞くのが好きだった。
What?
代わりにデンジの夢を私に見せてくれ。
Whoa. He gave his heart to you.
Bro.
Oh, it's his plug. He's inside you, bro.
やっぱ僕デビルハンター嫌い。みんなそいつ食べちゃって。
Yo.
Let's
This
see.
guy's now a chainsaw, right?
もっといい生活を夢に見たんだ。そうか、みんな夢見ちまうんだな。
A little too late, maybe? Oh my goodness.
So now he's a devil who hunts devils.
Alright. Oh. Oh shit.
Oh, nothing. Oh.
Oh.
Oh, he's just. Oh.
Just like
oh my
freaking
God. Wild.
watch it.
Oh.
They got up there. Oh, is that him?
Listen to that. Oh my. They're his slaves. Now he's gone. What do they do? Look at him, babe.
They stopped. Oh shit. Okay.
He's not leaving until you're all fucking done. Looks like Venom.
It's true, eh? He's having so much fun, Dre.
Unstoppable right now. Every appendage is a fucking weapon right now.
Uh-oh. These are older people.
These are older people.
Isn't that the people from the
It's the Men in Black.
shit? He's still like that.
生きてるのがいますね。
What are they gonna do?
君
She's part of the squad in the intro.
What is that?
She's part of the squad in the intro there.
Oh, okay, okay, okay.
That's why I said these guys look
君が
older.
言ったの
Hug me.
He's fallen. He needs human touch.
人だ
悪魔による乗っ取りの可能性。
君の選択肢は2つ悪魔として私に殺されるか人として私に変われるか
That's all he wants is some food in his belly right now.
Give me some bread with some jam, bruh. That's all I want.
That's his dream.
朝飯はどんなの？
食パンにバターとジャム塗ってサラダ
Oh,
あとデザート
and dessert, bruh.
最高じゃないっすか。
Oh wow.
That was good. That was really good.
I wonder if it takes human touch to like get him to come back.
I mean, that's the thing, right? He accessed his devil by literally starting up the chainsaw, which Pochita was, you know what I'm saying? A chainsaw devil dog or chainsaw devil. And now he gave up his body. So now that he's a devil and a chainsaw man, like literally he's a chainsaw. Like I thought that him and Pochita worked together, you know what I'm saying? But honestly, when they started shanking him, babe, like, okay, like me, I'm like, even the slice in his back,
Right.
when he got sliced in his back, I remember in One Piece when Sanji got sliced in his back and he survived it. So me, I'm like, okay, he got that one that went crazy, went through him and Pochita, and then the slice in the back. I'm like, okay, he can still theoretically survive this, babe. The man dropped and chink, like they
Yo,
were.
you could just hear all the stabs. And I'm like, there's no coming back for this.
It's like those people you ever see like in the olden days when people used to stamp the things at the bank.
Yeah.
Babe, gang,
So
gang,
fast.
gang, 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 gang. Like it was like a printing press. I was like clink, clink. I'm like, how many times this is overkill? Like, and then you saw how they literally separated him like a piece of meat. They separated him and then threw him in the dumpster.
Man. Wow.
So like what was crazy about that first episode is like the destruction. It's almost like the destruction and the creation. Like they destroyed him, but they created a new him. You know what I'm saying? And the way that they did it, even though it was visceral and violent, like the way he was recreated, like he was destroyed by the devils, hate, you know what I'm saying? And then he was recreated by love, you know what I'm saying? Him and Pochita, the relationship they shared, he flashed back to a moment. He said, yo, I'll give you my heart, literally, if you show me your dream, you know what I'm saying? That was literally what empowered him to go. And then he comes back from that beautiful moment that he shares with Pochita and goes berserk on these zombies, babe.
He grew back his eye and everything too, no?
Yeah, because when she chainsawed him,
right,
he had a whole face.
Wow.
And the thing is, literally, you know what's so funny is when they were sitting on the wood that they had chopped, and he was telling him that he was going to be killed by a devil, and Pochita was looking at him, and I'm like, I was even thinking in my head, I'm like, well, at least you'll have two eyes, you know what I'm saying? Because it's Pochita that'll take over the body. And you just said, like, yeah, that's right. When we saw him, he did.
So he got his nuts back too.
So, exactly. And now he's got a reason to use them.
All right, he found the girl.
So she's almost like a government devil hunter. Right. So she's like public the state safety. Alchemist, and he's just like an alchemist. You know what I'm saying? So pretty much. But the thing is also, he's also a devil too. So it's like, I can keep you fed as a human, or if you turn devil, I might have to kill you. So I'm curious to see how they work that in. Like, is she gonna work alongside, or have him work alongside her when there's devils present, and then transfer him back to human? Because what is the guarantee he'll take human form? But she seems so reassured even when she hugged him. Like, the man has literally weapons for like appendages, like we said, and like she had no problem going to embrace him because she saw the humanity in him, and she said he had a strange smell because he's not fully devil. You know what I'm saying? Exactly. He was curable, or like he's savable, he's salvageable. You know what I'm saying? I was crazy. Oof. That was crazy. And it was the violence got me off guard. I did not like, bruh. They shanked the shit out of this guy.
This guy got played in the first episode.
What do you mean?
The guy he was working for.
Oh man,
set him up.
But that's it. Like, and the thing is, it was that same guy's pursuit of power that got him to be a zombie anyway. You know what I'm saying?
Exactly. You done fucked up.
Yeah, pretty much.
Yeah.
Fuck, man. What a shocking first episode. And we can't wait to get on to our next one. So, thank y'all for joining us for this premiere episode of Chainsaw Man.
Be sure to hit that subscribe button and don't forget to like the video.
Let us know what you thought about the episode down in the comments, and be sure to go over to our Patreon and check out the full-length uncut reaction, or simply stop by to support our channel.
I'm Shruti.
And I'm Dre. For Beauty and the Beard, we're signing off until the next one.
Peace.